All right, quick demonstration. I'm working a little bit on a project to provide PDF remediation. Still some work needs to be done here, but after doing some initial examination, looks like there are only a handful of libraries that can do what I needed to do. Primarily being able to insert alt text into specific images. So this is a node.js command line version. You'll find on GitHub here. Library has all of the parts of the script. Main part of the script runs from here, and I'll toss a README file in to help. Throw in a couple examples here that you can run. I'm going to just run one really quick. Take these two out real fast. Move these in here real fast. Alright, so what I have in my example folder now, I have a simple file, so that way it'll be fast. Just a picture and picture. There's no alt text. These aren't tagged. So essentially, what's going to happen is the tool is going to reach out to Adobe's AI auto tagging. It's going to request that the material be tagged. Then it's going to extract the images. Then it's going to read the Excel file that comes with the extraction of images to get the object IDs. And it's going to generate the alt text using Bedrock and one of the Claude Sonnet AIs, and then it's going to modify the PDF and put those alt text back in. Again, if you want to see how each one of these pieces are done, they're broken up by component, so adding the alt text, doing the auto tagging, generating the alt text, extracting the images, and reading the Excel file that comes to it. It'd be really nice if the Adobe API didn't require me to read an Excel file to get those object IDs, but that's just kind of the way it is. So anyways, down here, I'm just going to run this. It's going to look for a couple things. There's some default stuff so that if you throw it into, if you download it, you can just run it and it'll go to the example folder and process the data that's there. So first thing it does is it submits the data to Adobe. Adobe does the auto tagging, kicks it back, then it sends it back to Adobe to extract the images, and then sends it back, and then the tool does the various things to do the auto tagging. So just so you can see what that looks like in here, there's a temp outputs folder that gets created. This is the folder that has all of the back and forth from Adobe. Very first thing that happens is this right here. This is where the file gets auto tagged. The file needs to be tagged in order for the alt text to be inserted correctly. Next, the tool asks for as part of the auto tag results, you get this Excel file. This is actually how you find the IDs, so you'll see them here. The tool gives you the original PDF, and then if it has to, the auto tagged, and it gives you the object IDs. These are the important pieces. I can't figure out any other way to get them, and so you got to do it reading the Excel file. When it sends it back to extract the images, the API sends back the zip file. The zip file gets broken up. You get a structure, which I ignore completely, and then some figures, which get output in the order they show up in the document. The tool then reads that data and sends it back, and what you end up with then, after it's done its thing, is an output here, and you will see that in the output, the auto-generated alt text have been embedded into the Adobe file. The Adobe file has been tagged, and so it should be now more accessible than it was previously.